Whoa! Hey! Who is that? Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Hey! What you got gloves on for? You trying to hide your fingerprints? I'm sorry. It's open! Oh! Stay out of the house. This video game is a genuine first gen. Hey, now y'all seen in my previous videos, I already can't read. Alright. This is creepy as freak. Puppet Combo. Y'all already know Puppet Combo. They notorious for making some of the scariest horror games in the world. How y'all been? Puppet Combo video. Hope y'all, having a great week. Having a great year so far.
What time are you getting out? 6?
Oh shoot! What time are you getting out? 6?
Want me to pick you up?
Oh, you talking? Yeah, it's too far to walk.
Yeah, it's too far to walk.
Okay.
I'll have a beer for you later. Have fun.
Okay. So y'all can see working a night shift. Yo?
Just in time. Hurry up and punch in. I've got a hot date tonight.
With who?
With who?
Wouldn't you like to know? Come on, I've got to go.
Did you at least sweep the floor?
Did you sweep the floor at least?
Sorry, dude. I was too busy.
How you too busy for your own job? Now what if the people who pay you too busy to pay you? Then what? You gonna sweep the floor then?
Hey,
Cats?
Rick left a list of side work to do on your shift. Now I've got to get out of here. Oh yeah, one more thing. I can't find the keys anywhere. The bathrooms are locked up. So go behind the dumpster, I guess.
Lovely.
Hey, I'm just trying to be pragmatic. You should try it sometime.
Bro, shut up. Get out.
Come on, this is no...
Alright. So before we go in there, we gotta check these surroundings, bro. Can I run? Okay, we can crouch. Ooh, we got a stamina bar. So we don't got the key to the bathroom. Back door, okay. As long as it's locked, bro, I don't care. Nothing really too much. I'm just making sure we safe, you feel me? What's that noise? Is that this? Hold on, let's go inside. Let's go inside. I'm gonna assume it's that. Anyway, let's check the back. Woo-wee! Woo-wee! Oh, here we go. Punch in. Now, when I was working the night shift, we ain't had this old punch in tape, right? Pull up the phone, beep beep, clock in. Now me, y'all don't tell nobody this, but I used to be stealing time. Hey guys, I can't read that. Hey guys, sorry the phone line isn't fixed. You have to bear with me until the repair guy comes. Don't worry, I'm not expecting any emergencies. I need you guys to do a better job on side work during your shift. I'm expecting this to be finished when I come by in the afternoon. 1, sweep the floors. 2, place the items that weren't purchased back there. They belong. Clean the bathrooms. Rick. Rick need to work on his penmanship, bro. We got cameras. Woo-wee, that's a big jumbo camera. I mean, we got 2. I ain't seen nothing outside. It's the items. Motor oil, beer, chips. Eatos. Hey, what's your favorite kind of chips? Mine? We going purple Doritos all day, baby. Like, I ain't too picky. Drink. Nothing special. Here we go. Gas. Snacks. Here we go. Car sensors. Yo, can we unplug this, bro? This junk making me nervous. I don't like the way it sound. Public combo. Y'all are some goons for making that junk sound like that. Another thing. Now I trust y'all, right? If y'all ever catch something in my background that I miss, y'all better spam them comments. Hey, bro, it's a ghost, somebody behind you in your house. When I record these scare games, I'm the only one here. That's why I be looking back to make sure my door just ain't creeped open or y'all see like some figurines moving in the back now. Alright? I'm trusting y'all. I'm trusting y'all. Ooh, a broom. I am trusting y'all with my life. Can you lock this? Hold on. Now you can't lock this? Dang. Oh, I guess we're sweeping the floor. Oh! We got a customer! Wow. Where he at? Where is he? Hello? Whoa! Oh! Don't scare me like that.
$10 on pump 5.
Yeah, sure.
Thanks.
Y'all see how Earl busting here? Why I can't see him? Nah, Earl. Take your gas and get the freak out of here. Busting in my store like that, bro. Earl, I don't play them type games. I don't play them games. Yo, imagine somebody coming into the store, they just see a worker just standing on top of the merch. Alright, let's get to sweeping these floors. Dang! This jump finna take all day. Well, clean the straws, clean the microwave. Clean it all. Y'all see anybody out there? We only got one window, bro. Luckily this door back here is locked. So if that door get unlocked, bro, I'ma know something. Do we got a gun? Do we got a gun? What gas station don't got a gun under the counter, bro? You're supposed to have a shotgun or some kind of gun stashed away. Like, it should be something somewhere. Whoa! Hey! Hey! Y'all hear it? It's like playing music. Get some gas or get the freak out of here. Bro, my eyes about to start watering. Bro, no, let me not turn my back to this. Bro, when I was a kid, white vans mean go the other way. I don't know why, but we just don't trust white vans. And to see one just creeping, no, bruh. No. I ain't messing around. Anytime I see a white van, I go the other way. They could be snatching kids. Who knows? Because there's so much space in the back seat, and they could just snatch you up and throw you back there and pull up. Cause it's only 3 cameras. It's 1, 2, and I don't know where the third one is. Is it back here? Make sure that door locked. See, it's 3 cameras. 1, 2, 3. Bro, this is the bathroom, but it's locked. Oh,
There's a customer coming.
bro, when I tell you, I am so on edge. Hey, welcome.
Hi.
Can I help you?
Can I help you?
Yeah, I just need some cigarettes.
Oh, shit. Okay, which brand?
Okay, which brand?
Banshee Red with
Kids,
filters.
don't smoke, bro.
Thanks. Oh, hey. Can I use the bathroom?
I can't open it.
I can't open it.
Sorry.
Well, that's weird. Good luck.
What the freak you mean, good luck? She said good luck. Not good night. Not, have a nice good luck. What? That means something finna go down. And you're hoping I get lucky to come out of it. I quit smoking. Yeah, good. Good, great for you. Y'all see them commercials, kids, when they have, that's real. That's real. No. Smoking is like playing the luck of the draw. You know what I'm saying? Now everybody don't get it, but those who are unlucky enough, yeah, don't smoke. Don't vape. None of that. Drink your water. And eat your vegetables. Get you them vitamins. Not too much though. What was that? Oh. Some people don't know, but you can get too much vitamin A and it can harm your body. So be careful with that vitamin. He's back. What do you want? Hey! Hey! I got a broom. He's going into the forest. He just drove through the trees. I saw my eye. Yo. As long as this back door locked, bro, I'm safe. I'm good to go. You see, I can hit these store corners. Yep. Come on now, check them cameras. I'm making sure this door locked at all times, man. Somebody come here and buy something. I'm just jumping around the store. Hey! Hey! Somebody come in here and buy something, man. Somebody I can talk to that don't got nothing to do tonight. We can just sit in here and talk about anime. Factory room 1. Yo, clicking changes my speed on here. Oh! Bro, this game is too scary. Oh, nah. Get off of that. Check that door. Check that door. Lock. Hey. Look, bruh. I don't know if y'all can see. I got goosebumps. I got goosebumps. Who's that? Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Hey. Get behind the counter. Get behind the counter. Hey.
There's a customer coming.
Bro, he big.
Hi. You're here all alone.
Yo, he is too big. His voice is too deep. What he eating? What? He eating grits every morning. Nah, my coworker in the back, big fella.
Workers in the back.
Oh, what you? Yo, I'm watching you. What you got gloves on for? You trying to hide your fingerprints? I'm sorry. Yo, what you trying to get, bro? It don't take that long. Get what you trying to get and get out of here. You see how he keep looking back at me? He could smell that I was lying. Bro, you don't got nothing in your hand. Look at him just gliding around the store. Get what you trying to get and get out my store. Alright. You grab the beer. Hurry up. You don't get no change. Why he walking to the store in the middle of the night? Go to bed. Go to bed. Don't come back no more. Alright. Y'all, I don't care what else going on in the front. As long as the back door stay locked. That's all I care about. That back door get unlocked, and I go back there, and I can just push it open. You might as well kiss me goodbye. And all this store merch, cause who's standing here? Not me. Who's standing here? Not me. You know what I'm saying? I don't really care at all. What else going on? Bro. Not sweet. I don't got no more. What was that? What? No, 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 no. No! Get somewhere you can see. Get somewhere you can see. Every time I went to that door, it said I can't go out. Why can I go out? Go, 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 go. Hey, hey, hey! No, no, no. Save your stamina. Who back here? Oh my God. Ooh. Y'all, we gotta go. Hey! Go! We gotta check the other one. Get out of the door! Get out! Woo! Get back in. Get back in the store. Get back in the store. Hey, we did it. We did that. But we got one more thing to check. We gotta go check that back door. But it's two possibilities. One, Cat's lied about having the key. He's trying to prank me. Two, Cat's done sent somebody up here. Three, what's the store owner name? Rick. Excuse me. Rick got the key. Rick plotting on me, bruh. Dog. Come on. Be a man. Be a man. Here we go. Woo! Who back here? It's open. Go. Get out of the store! I saw Buddy for about a good 2 glimpses, and he was teleporting. It's like I went through the door, and he popped out of nowhere. Look! And then I don't know how I got by him. I was just like, you know. And then I hit the door to get back into the store. He like appeared right in front of me. Look! And then I tried to get out the store. I jumped. He swung at my back. He missed. I opened the door. He immediately came overhead. Blah! My girl said, boom! Right on the floor. I barely saw him. It was the big dude. The one that eat grits and oatmeal all the time. It was him. The killer was big. The 2 times I did see him out the corner of my eye, he was big. He was muscular. And that dude who walked to the store, him, they got the same body type. He went home. He changed his shirt and he came back. He killed the store owner and took his keys. I bet you he did. And one, this is dangerous enough as it is. Why it's not 2 people on the shift? It should be 1 person behind the register, the other person watching the cameras. It's dangerous. Then, on top of everything, I'm a girl.
Hi.
Where are you headed?
Where are you headed?
East. I didn't realize how spooky it is over here before I stopped.
Yeah, I gotta work here.
But anyways, can I have a pack of Banshee red filters?
Sure. Telling y'all, don't smoke, bro.
Thanks. Oh, hey. Can I use the bathroom?
No.
No.
God. Well, fine. Have a nice life.
Hey. She straight up said no. It's no emotion. Y'all heard it. That was the door open. All right. I'm slowly building up the courage to go back there again. I'm thinking about just booking it. What y'all think? Just book it, don't be scared! Woo! 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 Don't be scared now! Yeah! Don't be scared, hop behind. My body is throbbing. I got a broom. I got a broom. And I ain't scared to swing it. Can I run down the street? Run down the street. Run down the street. Bro, her footsteps are gigantic. Like, boom, boom, boom. Oh, I'm scared. There go the other camera. All right, here we go. Go more! Oh my! Man, that's terrifying. Like, I used to work the night shift, and I walked outside like just to, just to get a breath of fresh air. And somebody was just out there waiting and had a motive to actually get me, bro. That would really traumatize me. And to be at a gas station where, overnight, the craziest people coming in and like hobos, probably people you ain't never seen like in the day. Like you may have a reoccurring customer, but people just from all over, they driving in and out of town. And yeah, bro, you can't never be too safe. But I really hope you guys enjoyed as much as I did. It's always a pleasure to make great content for you guys. Drop a like, leave a comment, subscribe, hit that bell, hit the bell icon to get a notification for all my videos. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one.